Today, offshore cargo is still hooked and unhooked manually. That puts people in the line of fire, and it narrows the weather window. So we built a solution to remove the manual step and make this work in real offshore conditions. When lowering the hooking unit, it locks automatically and immediately. During lifting, the unit, it is self-locking. It cannot be released. Only with slack wire and an operator release signal does the hooking unit disconnect. And it works the same way on the return lift to the vessel. Fast, repeatable, and built for motion. This gives a range of operational advantages. No people in the line of fire. The weather window is extended. More cargo on deck results in reduced cost and lower emissions. And you can cherry-pick the container you need when you need it, without access lanes. And that's the point. Safer, faster cargo handling, built for offshore operations.